So if you're using a ScpToolkit and you have trouble connecting your PS3 controller to Bluetooth dongle and it works via USB cable, then this video may be helpful. So I have this fake PS3 controller that I found. It's called Pro Controller and it's unsupported by Windows Bluetooth, so it cannot be connected to Windows Bluetooth as it says here. So to check if you have the same problem, go to Start menu, type SCP, and the first thing that shows up, right click and open file location. Find standalone server, ScpToolkit standalone server, and before opening it, go to Task Manager and search for SCP service. So when you find it, close it, and then you can open a standalone server. When you shut down any SCP service, uh, put in Bluetooth dongle and open standalone server. First, check your software version. I have 1.6.238. So if you're having different version, then I don't know if it's going to work. Try. So assuming that you already have the drivers installed, grab the controller and press the power button. As you can hear, it pops and it actually connects to Bluetooth. Here you can see that it's called Pro Controller and it's fake DualShock 3 found. It's a fake controller, but it works. Assuming that you will get something like refused or rejected or something like that, just close the program, right click on it, go to open file location and find SCP control configuration settings. Before opening it, right click and go properties, go to security, go to edit and set every group here allow full control, so you can edit the notepad. So you can open the SCP control with notepad, and here you will see a section called fake controllers, supported name equals and some name. Now you will have to remember your fake controller name and just write the same as here, supported name space equals space your fake controller name minus Pro Controller, and after that hit save. And after that you can again go to ScpToolkit standalone server, open it and try if it works. For some reason it worked for me, and if it doesn't work for you, then maybe you're having a different problem. You can tell me in the comments and I will try my best to help you.